This is a brand new 2015 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, rear curtain airbags, a keyless entry system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, trailer mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and air conditioning. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.